Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are reporting live from Walmart and we are about to get into some rebate deals. We're going to be messing with Ibotta today, swag bucks, I think a little bit of shop kick. We are going to see what we can put together. I do have a weekend warrior rebate to complete. I'm hoping that I can get enough rebates today in order to get that done. We will see. I think I need like 13 offers, so we'll see if we can get that for $5. But without further ado, you know we don't waste any time. Let's jump right into these deals. First deal up, I'm gonna grab a moneymaker on the Burt's Bees toothpaste. So these are just $4.47 a piece. I am going to be using the $5 off of 2 manufacturer coupon from our September P&G. At the register, I should pay a total of, let me look, I should pay $3.94 for these, but then I'm going to submit back to $5 from Ibotta, making these two babies free, plus $1.06 moneymaker. Next up, we're going to grab this Secret dry spray. So I wanted to grab the coconut one because I heard that one was attaching to 2 Ibotta rebates, but my store does not have that one. So I'm going to grab one of the regular ones for $6.97. On Ibotta, we have a $3 cashback rebate, and we also have a $3 manufacturer coupon. That'll make this just 97 cents. But I'm also going to submit back for 54 cents on Shopkick. That'll make our final cost just 43 cents. We're going to do the same deal on the Old Spice dry spray. So these are also $6.97, $3 coupon, $3 Ibotta rebate, plus 54 cents on Shopkick, making this only 43 cents. A lot of the Crest white strips are on clearance, so you do want to scan these babies with your Scan and Go to see what they're ringing out for. Some of them are under $10, and we do have a $10 Ibotta rebate, which will make them free. My store does not have any that are under $10, but these babies right here, these Brilliance white strips right here, let me show you the barcode. These are actually ringing out for $15.36 in my store. That's a good enough deal for me to go on ahead and grab these with the $10 Ibotta rebate. I'll pay $5.36. The next thing we're gonna grab is a couple Tina pads. So these are $5.46. We got a $4 manufacturer coupon that'll leave us to pay $1.46. Then we're going to submit over to checkout 51 for $2 in cash back, making each package of these a 54-cent moneymaker. Next that we're grabbing is some free and cheap air care. So I'm going to start off with this moneymaker on the Febreze. So we have double rebates once again. Got a $2.30 coupon plus $2.30 back on Ibotta. That's going to make this free plus $1.36 moneymaker. The next thing we're going to grab is some Febreze. Now I just smelled this cozy campfire. This warm baked vanilla is already my favorite, but y'all, this smells so good. But I just scanned it in the app and it's not coming up as attaching to the $3.30 Febreze rebate, so I'm not gonna get it. Y'all let me know if that's actually attaching when you scan it, because I want some of this. I might have to work out something at Dollar General. I'm gonna grab 2 of the regular scents instead. So with these regular ones, these are $3.24 each. 2 of them is going to be $6.48. I am going to be using the $3.30 Ibotta rebate to give me $3.30 back, and I'm going to be using this buy one get one free coupon that should deduct off $3.24. That should make 2 of these free plus a 6-cent moneymaker. We are also going to grab a freebie on the Febreze kitchen spray. You can also get like the Unstoppables, the wood, all of these ones that are $3.79. We got a $2 Ibotta rebate and a $2 manufacturer coupon in the P&G. Gonna make that free plus a 3-cent moneymaker. The next thing I am grabbing is some fall scented Airwick warmers. So we got a brand new swag bucks rebate for $4 in cash back when you buy 2. And I also have $3 back on Ibotta and $3 back on the coupons app. So 2 of these are $10.96. We got $4 coming back from swag bucks, $3 coming back from Ibotta, and then we also have $3 coming back from the coupons app. Gonna make this 96 cents for both. The next thing we're gonna grab is some Mr. Clean products. So I'm gonna grab this liquid for $3.24 each. 2 of them are gonna be $6.48. I have a $1 manufacturer coupon, and I also have $1 back on Ibotta on 2 bottles. And I'm gonna be submitting back to Shopkick for $1.74. So that is gonna make my final cost for 2 of these just $2.74 or $1.37 for each bottle, which is a really good deal. Now we're gonna do this really nice high value shop kick bundle that's gonna give us back $6.10 on these 2 dishwashing products. So the first thing I'm going to grab is this Scotch Brite soap control dish wand. So this is $6.47. This is the first item we're grabbing in this deal. Then we're gonna grab this shake and clean starter set. This is $2.98. We have $1 back on swag bucks, and it's the second item on our shop kick bundle. All right, you guys, so these 2 are gonna total us up to $9.45. I am gonna be submitting back to shop kick for $6.10 for our bundle, and I'm also going to be getting back $1 on swag bucks for the palm olive. That's going to make my final cost for both items just $2.35 or $1.17 each. Now if you want to, you can also pick up 2 of the palm olive shake and clean instead. We do have $3 back on 2 on swag bucks. That'll make your final cost for all 3 items $3.33. Next thing we're gonna grab is the Gain Power Blast and the refill. You can do this deal on the Gain, or you can also do it on the Dawn. That's a little bit more expensive. I'm gonna go ahead and do it for the Gain because I don't have a lot of the Gain in my stockpile. So with this, my final cost is going to be 45 cents for both because we're going to pick up these 2 at $7.88 for both. I'm going to submit over to Ibotta for $3.99, and then this baby right here should take off $3.44, leaving me to pay 45 cents for both, which is a definite stock up price. The next thing I'm going to grab is some pearl milling items. I'm going to get one of the pancake syrup for $3.16 and then one of the pancake mix for $2.28. So these 2 items together are going to total me up to $5.44. On Ibotta, I have 75-cent rebates for each one, and I'm going to submit back to the coupons app for $1 as well. That's going to make my final cost for both $2.94 or $1.47 each. The next thing I'm going to grab is this Snapples Element. So I'm going to grab 2 for $1.08. That's going to total me up to $2.16. On the coupons app, I'm going to submit back for $1, and I have $1.45 back on Ibotta, making my final cost for 2 bottles free plus a 29-cent moneymaker. Okay, so because they don't have this deal right here, it looks like I'm gonna have to go to a second Walmart store today because I really want this freebie. These are so good. So the Werther's popcorn is $2.98, and on swag bucks we're getting back $6 for 2 bags. So pick up 2 of them, that's gonna be $5.94, get back the $6. These are completely free. So I'm definitely going to be going to a different store because I want to get 4 bags since the limit is 2 offers. So we can get a total of 4 and then get $12 back from swag bucks. So here's my cart that I'm going to go check out with now. This is going to be my first transaction. Then I'm going to head over to another store and I am going to finish off my deals. All right, you guys, so I am at store number 2 and they have my popcorn. So I'm going to go ahead and get stocked up on this. And I'm going to grab a couple more items and then we will be on our way. Another item I'm going to grab that my other store did not have is these Soylent protein shakes. So these are meal replacement shakes. This is a great item to donate, even if this is not something that you will personally use yourself, since it is a meal replacement. So these are $2.98 each. So 2 of them are going to cost us $5.94, just like the popcorn. And then we're going to get $6 back on 2 with a limit of 2. So I'm going to pick up 4 and I am going to get $12 back. All right, you guys, so this is my second card. This should just be called a freebie card because all of these are the freebies that we are picking up in this transaction. I decided to use my husband's Ibotta account and get more of the Febreze and the Gain since it's such a good deal. And I got my popcorn and I also have these protein shakes. So let me go check out and then we will debrief. While I'm here, I'm also going to grab me some of these pink clothes hangers. These will be good for me at home. I don't have to worry about anybody stealing them because I live in a house full of boys. So these are only 50 cents each. They're tagged for $1.78, but I checked in Brickseek and these are 50 cents a pack, which is a pretty decent price for hangers. So I'm going to grab these. And with clearance, you always want to look up, because this store is actually loaded with these. I don't need that many, but they have a ton of these 50-cent hangers. All right, you guys, so let's go over these two transactions that I did. The first transaction, I did have a couple issues. The first one was with the Secret. So that coupon was not going through for some reason, and the cashier came over and tried to help, but she was new and she did not know how to operate the system. She tried to move me over to her register to see if she could get it to work. She couldn't get it to work, so I ended up taking the Secret off of that transaction. And with me taking the Secret off, somehow my second Burt's Bees also came off, which was really weird because I did use that $5 coupon, but the $5 coupon was bumped off along with that second Burt's Bees. So in this transaction, I had one Burt's Bees, and so I had to return that one to get my $4.47 back, which made this first transaction an actual cost of $68.39. So $72.86 you'll see on my receipt, but I had to return that Burt's Bees to make it $68.39. And then I got back $36.64 from Ibotta. I got back $8.30 from Shopkick. I got back $5 for the coupons app. I got back $6 from Checkout 51. Swagbucks I did submit back for $5, but I had an issue with the Airwick. So the Airwick was not picked up immediately. I did have to submit that for review for that $5. And when that comes back, my final cost for that deal will be $7.45. And then in the second transaction, we just got the Werther's popcorn and we got the protein shakes. So that came up to $33.49. I got back $24 from Swagbucks. All of that came back instantly, praise the Lord. And I also got back $9.29 from Ibotta, making my final cost for that second transaction only 20 cents. So my total cost for both deals came out to $7.65. So I am very, very happy with $7 for everything that we got. This is well over $100 worth of products, and we got some really, really nice items, cleaning products, food products. We got air fresheners. We got a ton of stuff for $7. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.